Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 31st, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So with the pound yen, I think it's still very clear that we're in a 1, 2, 3. I don't even see any evidence the wave 3 is over, and I think there's a good chance this has got quite a ways to go to the upside. I believe the most likely place for this wave C to go is the 203 area, right at the 100% Fibonacci extension of wave A, projected out the bottom of what I think is very clearly an ABC of B. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, ever since we ended this correction, besides this spike right here, which is probably just the Bank of Japan trying to step in, I think that we've been making higher lows this whole way up. I think it's very clear that we are in a wave 3, and I think we got another higher low right here, and I believe that it is going to just keep on trending up, making those higher highs and higher lows. So taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, like I've been saying for a while, I mean, it looks like this should have been a wave B, but I don't think it is a wave B. And then what happened is it made 1, 2, 3 waves down, impulsive up at the Bank of Japan news that we had last night. I think that right there is very clearly the end of a correction. I think this back here is the end of a correction also, and I think that we are back into an uptrend, and I am for sure going to continue to look for longs, especially on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4-hour time frame, I would definitely call this a WXY. It's definitely a 333 pattern, 3 waves down, 3 waves up, 3 waves down. Very, very clear WXY pattern at the news last night. That was a very nice entry to go long, as you can see, and we are trending up again. I do believe it will break out of these highs, and I do believe that that weekly, monthly time frame trend is going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows. So let's take a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, this was very clearly the end of a correction. Nice impulsive up, break of structure, wave 1. Corrective down, even though it was impulsive. I mean, it definitely was a wave 2, and it's very clear that this is a wave 3. So I wouldn't be trying to go long right now. That's kind of like trying to catch a falling knife. But if it does, make a pullback at some point, that is exactly where I would be looking to go long at the end of these pullbacks for the continuation of the uptrend, especially if they're 3-wave ABC or WXY patterns. That's exactly what I would be looking for to go long for the continuation of that big wave 3 on the weekly time frame. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.